57, Morgan. It's only 10 years.
Was father's car. He's never driven it. I've gone through the brakes, the rear wheel cylinders. We've done brake lines. Went ahead and got the carburetors adjusted correctly with the choke, the linkage, and the throttle.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Tim Cromie.
Oh, cool.
And
there's Dereck.
Yeah.
Wilburn. Now, for the last year and a half, probably year and a half, I've been communicating with Dereck. And Dereck has been lovingly emailing me with things to buy, things not to buy, and how to do stuff. And with their collective help, you guys are going to fire it up, and they want to drive it. And I'm giving them the privilege of driving this for the first time.
Okay. She might scratch. Might not want to record this part.
Maybe pump it.
There we go.
Actually work?
Yeah.
Turn the fan on. Fan.
Tight grab right at the bottom.
Now, do we know the clutch will actually come back?
Oh. Working.
Alrighty.
Got brakes? Brakes! Yay!
Woo!
I actually own a car like that one. Oh, come on over.